Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of the Kiwiway. So this is my daughter's Mazda 3, 2014 Mazda 3, and we're going to do a quick oil change and do a few other things to it today. So this has got a 2 litre Sky Active engine in it. Pretty straightforward. Nice little engine, 4-cylinder engine. We've just taken it for a run. So it's all nice and warm and hot. So the first thing we're going to do is drain the oil out. Alright, so if we look under the car here. So what we have is a little flap under here. So it's not the first little flap, it's actually the second flap that we need to get undone. So the oil filter and the drain plug are under the second flap, not the first one. So we're just going to jack the car up a little bit because this is quite low. I'll put something under that side. Right, the second hole, and there you can see the oil filter and the bung which is in the back of that.
You really need to take the oil filter out first before the bung. It's basically the oil filter is in the way of taking the bung out. I have a number of oil filter removal tools, but I find this belt one seems to be the best to taking off oil filters. At a job like this, you can expect that you're going to get oil over yourself, so gloves are a good option.
Right, guys.
To take out the oil bung, you need an 8mm hex bit or Allen wrench.
Yay.
Lord, this is like a line of liquid.
Yep. The oil. There's about 4.2 litres of oil when you change the filter. Just under 4 when you don't change the filter. It's only about 200 mils, as you can see, very small little filter. While we're waiting for that to drain, we'll change these wipers. As you can see, these are well shot, well past here. Should have been replaced a while ago, shouldn't they, daughter? She's not saying anything. She's behind the camera, but she's not saying anything. There. So these have got a hook on them, and the hook just connects into this. Hook connects into that, and then once it's over and pulled back, then your flap just goes shut. Like that. Oh, just pop the little flap up. Pull the blade back. Put it off.
Simple as that.
We just slip this on here. Now this, the silver bit at the end here is the thing that holds the blade to the thing, so just get to there and we'll cut and about there. Push it in. There we go. Done. Fun. Alright. Okay. Take the oil filter back off. Because clearly you need to tighten the tongue up before you put it in. Good one, Mazda. There we go. Done. So this is 5 litres and we need 4.2 litres, so push to all of it. So it's showing just a little overfill, which is fine. As soon as the engine starts up, it will fill that oil filter up and it'll be perfect.
Oh yeah, that would be helpful. It makes it look nice.
Done. So we change the oil on the 2014 2 litre Mazda 3.
Hey guys, thanks for watching Jeff's YouTube channel, the Kiwiway. Oh, I get a little sticker. Oh.